Hi, I'm Michael Wagner, one of the co-founders here at Omnia Family Wealth. And I want to thank you for spending a few minutes with me today to talk about FOMO and Bitcoin, volatility and sizing. So FOMO, right? You've heard of it, I'm sure, the fear of missing out. And it's really nothing new. FOMO has driven bubbles since the tulip craze many years ago. And it really plays to our emotions as investors. We know that people are out there making money, and we don't want to miss out. And fear is really one of the two operative emotions in the market, the other one being greed. And I would really caution you to just keep your finger on the pulse of the markets that are out there and what's going on. What are you reading? Is it hype? Is it information? Is it a little bit of both? Now, if you've done all of your research, there are a couple of things you need to know about. Right? If we're talking about Bitcoin or a lot of other cryptocurrencies, these are extremely volatile assets, and they need to be treated with respect. You do not want to take all of your life savings and put it all on one bet. And that's what this is. This is a bet, and you really need to hedge your bets, spread it around. And I would argue that the more volatile an asset is, the smaller and smaller portion of your portfolio it should be. It's all about really psychological bucketing. You don't want your day-to-day mood and decisions to be clouded by what's going on in the Bitcoin market. If your lifestyle depends on what Bitcoin does day to day, I would argue you probably have too much in that specific investment. So you need to be really mindful of the volatility and what it can mean for the other parts of your portfolio. And again, it should be part of a portfolio, not the entirety of your portfolio. That goes for any investment. So one question I always like to ask myself when we're investing is, what if I'm wrong? There is no guarantee that Bitcoin becomes the currency of the future. And again, it's hedging that bet. What if you're wrong? You can't have everything in that one bet. So please be careful, do your homework, be mindful of where we're at in the cycle. Always remember, you want to be fearful when others are greedy and greedy when others are fearful. So with that, be careful. Thank you for your time today. Really appreciate it. Please feel free to reach out, email, call, text with any questions. Thank you again.